Tempted by ClickWages and its promise of easy money? Let's find out if it's the real deal or just another scam preying on your time. First, download the ClickWages app from your app store. But before you dive in, be cautious. We're going to analyze everything. Next, the Signup process. Pay close attention to the permissions the app requests. Are they excessive for simply completing tasks? This can be a red flag. Note any that seem unnecessary, like full access to your contacts. Now, let's look at the tasks. Many apps offer similar activities, but what's crucial here is the payout versus the time investment. Are you spending hours for just pennies? Withdrawal time. This is where many scams reveal themselves. Check the minimum withdrawal amount. Is it ridiculously high, making it nearly impossible to cash out? Read reviews from other users. Search online for ClickWages reviews. Look for patterns in the complaints or praise. Are people actually getting paid, or are they facing constant issues? Finally, trust your gut. If something feels off, it probably is. Always research before investing your time and energy into any app promising easy money. Stay safe out there.